Hello, friends! Roar, are you ready for an adventure? Today, we're going to transform into mighty lion cubs by building our very own Lion King using shapes. We will need a star-shaped circle, triangles, various circles, ovals, rectangle shapes to make various parts. Okay, let's start now. Let's attach the body with the head. Let's move the mouth and nose. See, we made mouth and nose with cheeks using 3 circles and a triangle. Color them accordingly when you make. Time to move the eyes, which are also circles colored in black. Kids, do you know who is the king of the jungle? Yes, the lion. Lion is known and king of the jungle, and since it lives in the jungle, it's known as wild animal. Let's give the lion 2 eyebrows above the eyes. Good. Let's give the lion its whiskers. Have you noticed that the whiskers are found in cat category animals like lion, cat, tiger, leopard? Let's attach the tail, which is made from a rectangle and a triangle. Which part is missing now? Yes, the ears. Let's fix the ears also. Wow! Draw your own lion or use colorful shapes to bring it to life. Don't forget to share your awesome creations with everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Happy holidays. Bye.